Hello, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my Dyscova review. Today, in this video, I'm going to go through what is the inside in the members area, and also have some exclusive bonus related to this Dyscova. And I also will go through the sale, the price, and the upsell as well. If you are interested, this product is about how to. If you are interested in this product and I'm all my exclusive bonus, please stay with me till the end of the video. Don't forget to like and hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this and Dyscova is about a method that is 90% of the Google. This is also to use how to ban fake online. This is also 100% proven by top marketer. You have no list required. Newbie friendly is a step-by-step training. It's a set and forget system. It's a tap for the knowledge of the Google. It's an easy to implement system. It's a straight path to success. It's about how it is and then I will go through what is the sales page. This is the sales page, and also will go through my bonus. This is also very awesome. So let's take a look to my bonus page. Bonus number 1, I able to include the free video course. That is about video course. Is the value is at least 2,000 because you will have to make money online, step by step. This is also a very newbie friendly. How to walk you through A to C training course. You will teach you how to turn your mindset, how to find your niche. What is the find your niche? What is the profitable? How to find the sub niche? And how to and make your and how to make the basic term, and also learn how to make your how to build your email list, blog, YouTube, and other topic sources. Everything is inside in this video. You have no need to pay anything. This is also you don't have to pay anything. This is also very awesome. You just to start create your account just for free. Bonus number 3 is a free membership. You will get paid by giving away this free membership, and you will get paid in 3 different ways. The number 1, you can get paid when they upgrade. And number 2, the second way you can get paid is when they watch the webinar, and also they will purchase their membership inside the webinar. The third way is to order the solo ad package. They will because the solo ad vendor will pay you and 25% of every solo ad package. But if you inside the members area, I highly recommend you can grab and check out their upsell number 1, 2, 3 because you will explode to boost your income very effectively just for one-time payment. The first upsell is $7, just $7 only. The second upsell is $49. It's about $49, but you will get paid at least $1,000. That is when somebody that you refer to when they purchase the high ticket offer, they will get paid up to $1,000. $49, and you will get $1,000. This is no brainer. So I highly recommend inside the members you should check out their upsell number 1 and upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is quite expensive in my opinion. This is also optional. It's about 167 or 197. I'm not forget. But you can grab it on. It is also optional. Upsell number 3 affiliate bootcamp to how to make a full-time career in 100 days and get paid in recurring income. You will get every day you will get a video, and you will get paid month after month when you promote this product. Bonus number 3 is free buyer software. You will build and business and build software. You will automatically join the affiliate program. This is also where you can have a software and landing page software, and you will get them auto and affiliate, and also you will get recurring income. This is also 2 bonus that you can get bonus recurring income. Bonus number 5 is the video course. 9 ways to make money with YouTube. Bonus number 6 is for video course. Discover how to rank your video high on YouTube. Implementing a few engine hacks is also useful, and such as you can rank the page 1, you will have maybe organic evergreen traffic or organic traffic. The best part is it's also completely free. You don't have to pay anything. Bonus number 7, you will have a video course. Learn how to easily utilize the YouTube video editor to edit, twist, and optimize video for high converting video marketing campaign. This is also very helpful. Bonus number 8 is a WordPress plugin. How it helps you to 10x your opt-in rate faster. This is also if you have a bot, you have a bot, you can practice WordPress plugin. It can help you to 10x your opt-in rate. It's also about the YouTube engagement. It's very powerful. And also you will get all the exclusive bonus by the vendor. If you are still interested in all my exclusive bonus, I highly don't forget you will get all my exclusives. Just click the link below in the description. The first link you will come to my bonus page. The bonus will come to my bonus page, and you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. All my exclusive bonus will be inside the Warrior Plus. You will automatically deliver to you. So let's take a look at what is the I'm also going to go through what is the members area. The members area is also included the welcome. Is also included the 10 module. The 10 module is also very awesome. You will learn much more about everything is inside the members area. You will learn how to do the how to launch checking as I'm doing every day. Module number 1, master the term. Master the term. Until you have many terms you don't understand, you will get master this term. You will have a brief explanation. Module number 2, you will be getting the tools. Module number 2, you will getting the tools. What is the tool? You must have They also have to assign Warrior Plus, JV Sugar, Get Responder. This is also an email always auto responder. Facebook, Canva, Medium, School, Fiverr, Google Docs, IDPLR, Wix here, OBS Studio. This is also a very awesome. You have to have other more, and I know most of them you have free uses. You have to invest is Get Responder and Fiverr and IDPL site is you have to try to feed. Wix is also other method you can build your websites for free. Launch checking is I'm doing every day. This is also to find a product and request a link, and also in how to put the product info into Google Calendar. Module number 4 is about the setup. Module number 4 is about the setup. How to set up a proper YouTube channel. You will use this thing. This is also module number 5 is incentive. Module number 5 is incentive. One is also to be divided into part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is finding the bonus and delivery. Part 2 is making the bonus graphic. Part 2 is about making the bonus page. This is also my bonus page. And module number 6, and then is the module number 6. Module number 6 is creating script and bonus installation. This is also and how you can grab your email with the autoresponder. They are recommendation is and sign up an account with Get Responder. Get the response is the most very friendly. It's just the basic plan. You can grab it for a 30-day trial just for about 1,000 subscribers, and you will try it for 30 days. And the monthly plan is about $15 per month. This is also a no-brainer. Module number 7 is writing a proper welcome email and automation. When you have grab this email, it is most important is to how to write a proper welcome email. and they will learn how to use that, and also because they will have series of email to follow up you to and teach you how to do this automation. Module number 5 is the review. Module number 5 is the review. This is also included in different parts. Part 1 is to take the video review. This is also to download this OBS Studio. Part 2 is creating the YouTube thumbnail, add title, description, and how to optimize and optimization. Module number 5 is ranking. Ranking the video. Ranking the video is also very important. If you have a higher ranking, more people watch your video, and also you will possibility to get someone to watch to make more repetition, make more competition. Module number 5 is the repetition. It's also I think it is also how to implement all the steps. This is also you must take action. This is all they also include bonus. This is also with bonus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is bonus and announced bonus. If you have any upgrade, you don't have to pay. The first time you don't have to buy any upgrade. You can grab this upgrade inside the members area. So lastly, I will go through I will go through the upsell and the price. You will grab it this is also optional. You could grab it or not. So the upsell, the front end is just I show you in front is just $12.95. But 95 cents is no brainer. You could learn much. So I highly recommend you can grab this product. Upsell number is premium. $37. It also comes with $27. You will learn a secret method using a few people today 20x their income. This is also you will discover extra traffic sources and more tools to help you more successfully. You could grab this for just $27. Upsell number 2 is done for you. The campaign $67 comes with $47. You will get 6 fully customized and done for you campaign to help you maximum your profit. They done everything for you. Just you can share the URL and you can make money. Bonus number 3 is a bonus box. $67 with $47 downsell. Also, we also will love the bonus, but you are struggling how to find the quality bonus. This is high. You will get 17 bonus for your customer. You can increase the sales page with the downsell 47. If you have no idea how to create your bonus, I highly recommend you to grab this downsell just for $47. I highly recommend you can grab this one. Upsell number 4 is the last upsell is sell $97 with $67. You will keep 100% of the profit across the entire. Just and promote this product, you will get 100% commission. This is also you will have extra money. You can buy this product and upsell. So we kept up my own bonus. Bonus number 1 is a free video course. Bonus number 2 you will get a free membership. Bonus number 3 you will get a free affiliate bootcamp. Bonus number 4 you will get a free buyer software. Bonus number 5 video course 9 ways to make money with YouTube. Video course is how to rank your video high on YouTube. How to utilize your YouTube video editor. Bonus number 8 is the WordPress YouTube. This YouTube engagement, how it helps to 10x your opt-in rate. You will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. Just click down below the first link that will come to my bonus page and go through the sales page and grab this full content. And even if you just purchase the front end, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the members area. In the WordPress, taking time to check out my Dyscova review and bonus. Don't forget to like and hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.